Chickamauga is a city with a strong sense of community and thriving projects, and it deserves a waste management partner that understands its unique needs. And if you are looking for reliable and efficient dumpster rentals in Chickamauga, Georgia, look no further than Worx. We are the trusted name in the industry, providing top-notch dumpster rentals for all your waste management needs. We take pride in being that go-to solution for all your dumpster rental requirements. Whether you're doing a small residential cleanout or a substantial construction project, we offer a variety of dumpster sizes to cater to your specific needs. Our experienced and dedicated team ensures a hassle-free experience from start to finish, providing timely delivery and efficient pickup services. We're committed to making waste management in Chickamauga, Georgia, seamless and dependable. Your satisfaction fuels our dedication, and your projects inspire us. Renting a dumpster has never been this straightforward. Explore our hassle-free rental process today. Contact Worx at 423-551-0677 or visit our website at www.wasteworksusa.com to book your dumpster rental and experience the convenience and reliability you deserve. Thank you for choosing Worx as your waste management partner. We're here to simplify your projects and elevate your experiences.